In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about conditional formatting. Now, we're going to use conditional formatting to be able to highlight whatever target on our profit margin that we have set. And remember, our top profit margin, bear in mind, our profit margin is going to be 20. Now, for us to be able to calculate and know which of our products is doing well and hitting that target of our profit margin, we're going to use conditional formatting to be able to do that. Now, before we begin, we're going to first calculate our profit margin. For us to calculate our profit margin, we're going to say C2, which is the profit divided by our sales. We're going to multiply that by 100. We're going to multiply that by 100, and it gives us 20. I'm going to just drag that down to see which product is doing well. Now we've got this in decimal. What we can do is just take that and make it a whole number. So I'm just taking that out to make it a whole number. Now that we've gotten a profit margin across our products, now imagine you've got thousands of products. It will be very hard for you to be able to see through which of those products basically hit a profit margin that you set as a target as 20. Now for us to be able to do that, we're going to highlight the profit margin column. And we're going to now then go to our tab and click on conditional formatting. Now, there are a lot of different conditional formats you can play around with, but in this scenario, we're going to just make use of the equal to. So we're going to give a command to say if any target that sits between 20 basically hits our target and want to be to highlight that product, and we're going to say give it a green, and we're going to say okay. So this basically has highlighted that product A and product C are doing very, very well, and they're hitting our profit margin of 20. Now, if you enjoyed this video, or if you like one or two, or if there anything you'd like me to talk about, please do want to drop that on the comment section. I'll do want to make a video about that as well. Now, please do it to encourage me. Please do well to like, comment, follow, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. In today's